How to grow oyster mushroom at home from kit. To start, have a sharp knife and clean container on hand. Sterilize the knife by briefly immersing it in boiling water, then use it to make a 2 to 3 cm X-shaped incision in the plastic film on the bag's side. Place the bag in the container with the incision downwards and fill with purified water to a depth of 2 to 3 cm. Leave for 12 hours to allow the mushrooms to absorb water and begin to develop. After 12 hours, remove the bag, shake off excess water, and put it back in the container with the incision facing upwards. Add fresh water to a depth of 2 to 3 cm, and keep in a humid location with indirect sunlight and 20 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature range. Spray the mushrooms at least 3 times a day or use a wet paper towel over the incision. Once the mushrooms are thumb-sized, spray them with water 8 to 10 times per day. After 5 to 7 more days, the mushrooms should be ready for harvest. Twist off mature mushrooms, leaving smaller ones to grow. The kit can support 2 to 4 rounds of growth. To start another round, clean the opening, put the bag in the fridge for 7 days, and repeat steps 1 to 5 with a new X-shaped incision. If you do not have purified water, you can boil tap water and let it cool down before using it. If spraying water is too tedious, use a wet paper towel over the incision. Remember to check the water level regularly and add more if needed. This method simplifies maintaining humidity levels while ensuring healthy mushroom growth. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.